In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up vendors in QuickBooks Online for 2025. It's a simple yet essential process that helps you streamline your business operations, ensuring accurate record keeping and efficient financial management. Let's start our journey by accessing the QuickBooks Online platform. To begin, open your Chrome browser. Once you have it up and running, you'll need to navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. When you arrive at the page, enter your email and password. If this is your first time logging in, make sure you use the exact details provided when you signed up. This access will lead you directly to your business dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your vendors list. On the left-hand menu of your dashboard, you'll notice the Expenses tab. Click on it and then select Vendors. This is where you will track and manage all your vendors. Look to the top right-hand corner of your screen where you will see the New Vendor button. Select that, which will allow us to proceed with adding a new vendor. As we move forward, you'll be entering your vendor's information. The crucial piece of data here is the vendor name. This field is required, so make sure you enter it accurately. For a more comprehensive record, you can fill out optional fields including company, email, and phone. These details can help you in the future when you need to contact the vendor quickly. Additionally, you have the option to add the billing address and payment terms, such as Net 30, which establishes when payment is due. It's also beneficial to assign a default expense account to categorize the payments efficiently. If the vendor has a tax ID or TIN, don't forget to include that as well. After entering all necessary information, your next action is to save this vendor to your list. Simply click on the Save button. You have now successfully added this vendor to your vendor list. If you have more vendors to add, just repeat the process for each one, ensuring all relevant data is entered correctly. Once you have your vendors added, QuickBooks offers a fantastic feature to manage and adjust vendor settings as needed. Simply click on any vendor from your list to bring up their details. Here you can edit any information you may have initially entered or update settings like the preferred payment method, default expense account, and specific terms for each vendor. QuickBooks allows you to attach notes or add relevant documents such as contracts or agreements, which can be extremely helpful. And that wraps it up. Following these steps will enable you to efficiently set up and manage your vendors within QuickBooks Online, making your business operations smoother and more efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your QuickBooks experience.